Welcome back to Lifect. Because you liked our video about things intelligent people don't do, we thought we'd share 10 signs that you're smarter than you think with you. Clever people usually keep to themselves and have traits that are highly valued but commonly unnoticed and unseen. And we're going to reveal these traits to you, so watch this video all the way till the end for a surprising bonus trait. Let's dive right in. Number 1. You make others feel smart. Many people have the misconception that smart people make other people feel stupid. Actually, intelligent people are frequently eager to share their knowledge. They're able to simplify difficult concepts so that others can understand them. Young people, especially those with high IQs, may find it tempting to believe that they're smarter than everyone else. But as you get older, you start to realize that intelligence is more than just knowing things. You learn to use your intelligence to benefit others and have a positive impact. It's crucial to keep in mind that intelligence can take many different forms, and just because someone may not be as knowledgeable about a particular subject doesn't mean they lack intelligence overall. In addition to helping others, sharing your knowledge gives you the chance to pick up new skills and deepen your own understanding of the world. So don't be afraid to use your own intellect to benefit those around you. Who knows what you might learn in return? Number 2. You're modest. Being intelligent doesn't imply being arrogant. A lot of people who pride themselves on being intelligent frequently know less than they think they do. That's not the case with you though. If you're truly intelligent, you don't believe that simply knowing more than someone else makes you better than them. You're aware that there are different types of intelligence and that each individual has unique strengths and weaknesses. The ability to acknowledge ignorance is one of the traits of true intelligence. If you act like you know everything, this can actually set you up for failure. But admitting your ignorance demonstrates humility and a desire to learn. Be proud of your intellect while remaining humble and open to learning from others. Number 3. You're not afraid to get things wrong. Have you ever been embarrassed or self-conscious about not knowing something? It's not just you. This is a common sentiment, and many people avoid situations where they might come off as stupid in front of others. But what if we told you that your fear of embracing yourself is actually preventing you from learning new things? One of the most important aspects of learning is the ability to ask questions, even when they may appear to be dumb. When we're unwilling to seek clarification, we restrict our own development and educational opportunities. And let's face it, who wants to live their entire lives with the same constrained knowledge? Consider it this way. Asking a question is like sowing a seed. The seed may at first appear small and unimportant, but with patience and care, it can develop into a lovely and fruitful tree. The same goes for knowledge. Asking questions and looking for answers can lead to the discovery of many new facts and insights. Number 4. You observe the people around you. People who put on a show of intelligence enjoy the spotlight. They talk endlessly about obscure subjects in an effort to impress others. But being truly smart requires more than just talking. It also requires observation. You can learn a lot about people and situations if you pay close attention to your surroundings. You don't need to constantly talk or try to impress people because you can understand them better thanks to your keen observational abilities. As a result of your ability to consider various viewpoints, you become more empathetic. Being intelligent doesn't require you to lead every conversation. It suggests that you're able to make sense of, assess, and come up with original ideas based on what you hear and see. Number 5. It's in your nature to be empathetic. Emotional intelligence isn't a quality that many people associate with being smart. People may associate intelligence with creativity or knowledge, but not necessarily with empathy. This impression may result from the stereotype that smart people are conceited and selfish. However, this isn't true for everyone. Studies have demonstrated that highly intelligent individuals can also have high levels of empathy. A 2021 study discovered that individuals who were regarded as intellectually gifted also demonstrated high levels of empathy. So, if you're intelligent and also deeply aware of and sensitive to the emotions of those around you, this study may confirm what you already believe to be true. This type of intelligence is valuable in both interpersonal and professional contexts and contributes to general intelligence. Number 7, you're passionate about the things you care about. People who are passionate about something, whether it be science, art, or writing, frequently display high levels of intelligence. Curiosity and the desire to learn more about their surroundings are common driving forces for great scientists. Gifted artists are passionate about using their hands and minds to create beautiful things, and writers have a strong desire to convey their feelings and thoughts through the stories they create. Number 8, you have a desire for knowledge. Being intelligent means accepting the notion that there's always more to learn. This is why you might have a passion for a wide range of pursuits, including sewing, writing, creating music, and solving puzzles. Every single one of them has nuances that you want to understand. What makes you unique and inspires you to keep exploring and learning new things is this insatiable desire for knowledge. Number 9, you have a diverse pool of interests. You have the ability to focus all of your attention and effort on learning new abilities and skills. And not everyone is capable of doing that. You gain knowledge from these interests, but they also give you a sense of accomplishment and pride. Every hobby offers a fresh challenge and an opportunity to use your imagination. And who knows, maybe one day you'll be able to teach others what you've learned, encouraging them to start a new hobby and find their own passions. So, embrace your love of learning and trying new things. It's a distinctive quality that makes you stand out from the crowd and can bring you countless hours of happiness and fulfillment. Number 10, you demonstrate self-discipline. We often catch ourselves making snap judgments and decisions that are more motivated by our feelings than by reason. For intelligent people, however, things work differently. They exhibit a remarkable amount of self-control, which enables them to act quickly and wisely and avoid making rash decisions. They possess the self-control to refrain from harmful actions like speaking without thinking or engaging in heated arguments. Smart people stand out because they possess this level of restraint and the capacity to be deliberate before acting, which enables them to make moral decisions even in the most stressful times. And for the bonus sign, you opt for ease. Albert Einstein once said, "Simplicity is the key to understanding." The ability to clearly explain something is the true test of understanding. Simply knowing a lot of information is not sufficient. Have you ever met someone who initially appears to be very knowledgeable, but when you ask them a straightforward question, they start to get all complicated? They could say things like, "It's just complicated," or "There are too many variables." Being intelligent and sophisticated requires not only having access to a wealth of knowledge, but also knowing how to apply it. You take what you need and use it right away, and you're not embarrassed to appear illiterate in some areas. What distinguishes you is your mindset of constant improvement. You put everything else aside and live in the moment, giving priority to what really matters. That's all for today's video. We hope you enjoyed watching. Leave a comment if you now feel smarter than you thought. Make sure to subscribe to see more content like this. We'll see you in the next video.